Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to go from this to this with zero skill required very quickly and easily, all while protecting and allowing your hair to thrive underneath. It's a win-win, so let's get into it.
Hey guys, it's Shimo Okimi and welcome back to my channel. So today we will be putting on a headband wig. I just went natural. Right now it's in twist. Before I actually style it and all of that, this is perfect to just be able to go out and like wear this without having to put that much effort. So I'm excited to try it. It's from MyFirstWig. They sent this to me. Like, I've been seeing it go around for so long, so it's kind of crazy that I'm just barely now trying it out. The Kinky straight. If you're an OG, you know I started off like my style was like the Kinky straight, so it's cool going back to it. Let's see how this goes. I'm gonna so my hair isn't in the best twist, but yeah. So this is what my hair, I've literally just been wearing a bonnet, but yeah, let's see how it goes. I love Kinky straight. Like, I love big hair. So how the hair's looking like, I'll probably have to flat iron it a little bit because it's been in the box. Funny enough, even though I do a lot of protective styling, I actually don't wear wigs that often. I just need to get into the whole no lace gang and like figure that out. But it's nice that with this, I don't have to worry about like my lace being seen. Okay, so now I'm just going to put this on. And the way it comes, this part is like satin, so it's not gonna be like rough on your edges. And then it just hooks by Velcro in the back. That's it, it's literally just a headband. This is what the inside looks like. It has some combs on the inside and on the back, and then you just latch it with the Velcro. Okay, so now I'm just going to put it on. And I also like the fact that this is Kinky straight, so if my hair is like bigger underneath and lumpy, it won't be as noticeable. At least I hope it won't be. Okay. Ooh, I love it already. This looks like my relaxed hair, low-key. I feel like this is a perfect disguise for the fact that I have cut my hair, because when I wear this in public, no one's ever gonna be able to tell that this is fake. It looks literally just like my hair did before I cut it. That's crazy. That actually wasn't the plan. I wasn't trying to put hair that looked like my old hair. It just happened that way with this texture. Wow, I really like it. Even just like this. I would wear it out like this. It's like messy, but you look good. I don't know. I just really like big hair. Maybe that's just me. But I'm going to flat iron it. Ooh. And if you know me, I've never really been the type to lay my edges. Actually, like even whenever I was relaxed, I hardly ever laid my edges. Like I don't really see the big deal. I honestly think it looks just fine like this. So if you are worried about like having twists or braids underneath and not showing your edges, 'cause I feel like a lot of these videos with headband wigs, it's like they have a lot of their edges out, but if I was wearing it, I would honestly just throw it on like this. So that's how I'm gonna do it for this video, because I think this looks good. Like my edges don't look bad at all. I love hair like this. Anyone who knows me knows I love hair like this. I'm obsessed. As far as shedding, I'm getting a few strands. The texture of this hair literally feels just like my hair. I feel like I keep on comparing it to my hair that I just cut off. I film all of my videos in advance, so before I actually post that I'm doing the big chop and cut all of my hair off, like it's gonna be a few weeks, so whenever I'm going out in public, this will be really nice to pretend like I never cut my hair off. And this is my hair, and it's actually very believable. Such a vibe. This is so beautiful to me. So now I'm gonna flat iron it just to get the kinks out. I'm not gonna make it too straight though. My flat iron is on 300. As far as like the actual quality of the hair, I'm not sure yet because I'll have to wear it out, but for now it looks good. I mean, it's only the first day. I'll try and come back and like wear it a little bit and give you guys an update, but it's the type of hair that you only wear like during the day, so I feel like it'll last long anyways. And I'm just lightly flat ironing the roots, and then not passing the flat iron too much through the ends to give it this effect where it's a little bit flatter and more calm at the base and then fluffs out and 2, it's real texture. Like even the length, it's like exactly how long my hair was. That's so crazy. And it wasn't even intentional. Like I didn't even process that when I was picking out this hair in particular. I picked this out before. I thought I was gonna film it before I did the big chop, so it's like, it's weird. Like I did the big chop and now I'm putting back in hair that looks like the hair that I just took off, but it wasn't intentional. But wow, this texture is really, really natural. Even how the ends fall. Like it's not a blonde cut. It's a very natural. The texture is very coarse, which is what gives it the look, but it also feels very coarse. So I have a feeling like it's gonna be the type to mat up a little bit or like roughen up a little bit, especially in the back. I've dealt with kinky hair before, and I know the coarser and kinkier it is, sometimes the more rough it'll feel as you wear it throughout the time that you're wearing it, and like, yeah, and it can tangle up in the back. It's just from like the back of your head sometimes that'll happen. So I have a feeling, I just feel that being a possibility with this hair as I'm feeling the texture, but I love the way it's looking. It's a very good get up and go type of wig. Like I'm running late, I can just pop this on. My type of hair, if you're a real OG, you'll know that my first tutorial was for a sew-in with hair that looked very similar to. Okay, this looks so freaking real. I'm obsessed. See, so if you don't want to do your edges, you literally don't have to at all. And my hair's in twists, so, and look how well that blends. Oh, now I'm going to try putting it up in a ponytail and see how that goes. This looks super, super natural and very easy to put up. And all of these styles have just been with the headband that it came with, but I'm also gonna grab this headband. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know if you're gonna try this hair out, what you think of it. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching.